एप्पल पीने के बाद वो जो स्पर्म का टेस्ट अलग हो जाता है।
हाँ बस उसी लिए आए हैं।
इसलिए पिए।
हाँ,
हाँ
आम पियो, केला पियो,
हाँ
सब वो पी लो।
तब होगा ही नहीं, मोटा ही नहीं होगा।
अरे उसका
हाँ।
भी जुगाड़ है मेरे
जुगाड़ है।
सिट्रिक तो ऑरेंज में आ गया।
क्यों हेल्दी है तेरे हिसाब से?
क्या बताएंगे भैया?
क्या हुआ? India is officially the diabetes capital of the world. Over 100 million people. And the scariest part, most of them actually think that they are healthy. समर आते ही डिहाइड्रेशन शुरू हो जाता है और हर गली में एक जूस स्टॉल तो बन ही जाता है. And guess what? All of these juice stalls end up having a massive line. So hi guys, this is Dr. Yogeshwar from GB Panmansi and today I walked through the streets of Delhi and the very first uncle which I met said, तो आपके हिसाब से क्या एक डायबिटिक पेशेंट को जूस पीना है या नहीं?
देखो उनको जूस पीना चाहिए।
अच्छा
हाँ उनको हल्का मीठा भी खाना चाहिए।
अच्छा।
अगर वो नहीं खाएगा ना
हाँ।
तो उसको दर्द रहेगा।
अगर वो नहीं खाएगा ना तो उसको दर्द रहेगा।
So आज हम जूस का न्यूट्रिशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. But before that, let's see when this mission was last cleaned. So I ran into some college students and I asked them one question. What is the healthiest drink you can think of? And they said,
Pomegranate juice is the
very healthy, beautiful, great, all right. उसके बाद
mostly
मौसम्बी. Pomegranate में ऐसा क्या benefits है? Why do you think a person should have that?
citric.
Citric fruits, okay, all right.
Citric तो ऑरेंज में आ गया। सिट्रिक और विटामिन सी वगैरह।
Vitamin C वगैरह आता है, correct. तो बीटरूट क्यों पीना है बताओ?
बीटरूट हेल्दी होता है, उससे हीमोग्लोबिन बढ़ता है।
हीमोग्लोबिन तुम पीते हो? तुम तो नहीं पी रहे यार, जो तुम बोल रहे हेल्दी है वही तो नहीं पी रहे हो तुम. सबके पास एक कहानी है, सबके पास एक ओपिनियन है. So today, me as a doctor, I'm going to test each and every juice for you, which is very popular in the Indian market, and I am going to give you every single rating. And guess what? The most healthiest juice and the worst possible juice is actually going to surprise you. So let's start with Mossambi.
जूस पिला दो मौसम्बी का।
So every time you fell sick, your grandmother used to give you Mossambi juice. And उसके पीछे एक कारण है. Mossambi is rich in vitamin C. It helps you absorb iron better. That's why whenever you fall ill, आपका immunity थोड़ा सा weak होगा and vitamin C helps you fight those infections. So your dadi knew what she was doing. Now let me tell you about the problem which nobody talks about. Mossambi juice is healthy, but the fruit is way healthier. जब भी आप एक जूस बनाते हो, you are extracting all the fiber and the pulp outside, and you are left with sugar and vitamin C का pill. तो उससे अच्छा you just have a glass of नींबू पानी and have the solid fruit, which is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and this will also help you control the blood sugar levels. And if you're just going to have the sugar syrup, I mean sugary juice with vitamin C, then your blood sugar levels are going to skyrocket up. And if you are a diabetic or a pre-diabetic, which I'm pretty sure you are, but you just haven't realized it yet, your doctor wouldn't be happy about it. My honest advice, go for the whole fruit. And if you want me to rate it out of 10, I think I would just give it a 7 out of 10. It's just not the champion. फिर आता है अनार जूस पे. The moment we talk about pomegranate, सबके मन में बस एक पॉइंट याद आता है. अनार का जूस में ऐसा क्या बेनिफिट है?
वो ब्लड बहुत जल्दी
ब्लड बनाता है सबको ये जूस. All right, anar is genuinely a better option in the list. It has antioxidants, it can control your blood pressure and rich in vitamin C. But wait, I need to kill one myth over here. अनार जूस से ब्लड नहीं बनता है, इससे आपका खून नहीं बढ़ने वाला है. It just helps you absorb iron. So unless you're consuming iron along with pomegranate juice, you're not just going to increase your hemoglobin. And one more thing, if you're on blood pressure medications or cholesterol medications, pomegranate juice can actually interact with your medications and cause various side effects. So please consult your doctor once. And from my side, try to have the whole fruit. It is rich in fiber, it will prevent all the sugar spikes, and it is actually tasty. What's stopping you? So मेरे तरफ से it is a 8 out of 10. फिर आता है pineapple juice पे. But wait, before we dive into pineapple juice, let's see what the public has to say.
भाई मैं पाइनएप्पल जूस पी रहा हूँ।
पाइनएप्पल पी रहे हो? क्यों पी रहे हो? पाइनएप्पल में ऐसा क्या है? वो बोलते ना यार, पाइनएप्पल पीने के बाद वो जो स्पर्म का टेस्ट अलग हो जाता है।
हाँ बस उसी लिए आए हैं।
इसलिए
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा।
तो आप क्या रात में करने वाले हो, कल सुबह करने वाले हो?
मैं 24 घंटे करता हूँ।
24 घंटा करते हो?
ए रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना।
But let's see कि साइंस क्या कहते हैं। देखो, पाइनएप्पल के अंदर we have an enzyme known as bromelain, which is a very strong anti-inflammatory, and this anti-inflammatory will work amazing and do wonders in periods. So if you have a girl who's moody, she's going through periods, उसको जाके पाइनएप्पल दो भाई। भाई साहब, तुम 24 घंटे करते रहोगे, फिर तुम जूस कब पियोगे? I meant the pineapple juice. And one more thing, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि pineapple juice helps burn fat and it just melts the fat. भाई साहब, unless you are drinking pineapple juice and you're indulging in physical activity, you might possibly lose some weight. But per se, the juice does not melt your fat. And yes, ये बंदा का जो गलत फेम ये है कि टेस्ट बदलता है। I think I should keep this till the end of the video. So मेरे तरफ से it is a 7.5 out of 10 and maybe I might change the result at the end of the video after I reveal the reason. फिर आते हैं the one and only most popular juice, which is the
गन्ने का जूस।
Now I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for saying this कि गन्ने का जूस is not the ideal one. हाँ, मैं मानता हूँ कि इसमें बहुत electrolytes है, antioxidants है, सब कुछ है, but unless you're a roadside worker, you're a laborer who's working in the sun, putting in the work, this juice is not ideal for you. देखो, हम रियलिटी की बात करते हैं। आप एक एसी रूम पे बैठे हो, you are working on a laptop or you are sitting and studying, and you are coming out in the evening around 5 p.m. to have a glass of sugarcane juice, which is filled with some antioxidants and some micronutrients, but filled with hell lot of sugar, and that's just going to give you calories, sugar spike, and make you feel more hungry. So मेरे तरफ से this is just gonna be a 4 out of 10. And मैं इसलिए 4 दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि the machines which are used to make this juice are very unhygienic, and I have seen so many patients with hepatitis, typhoid just from this juice. So try to stay away from it. अगर आपको sugarcane इतना पसंद है, घर पे बैठ के sugarcane खा लेना। फिर आता है बनाना शेक पे, the one and only favorite of every gym goer. Rich in fiber, rich in potassium, and a lot of sugars. But once you have this shake, you're adding in extra milk, more sugar, and dirty ice. So you are just increasing your calories. So unless you're having an ultra high intense workout, like you're an athlete performing for the nation, I don't think this juice is ideal for you. So मेरे तरफ से it is a 5 out of 10, and if you really love bananas, just go with a raw fruit. फिर आते हैं mango shake पे, the one and only favorite of every Indian in our country, rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. But the mango shakes which you are drinking are not made of mangoes. They are made of a bit of mangoes, a lot of milk, a lot of cream, and artificial flavoring agents, and a lot of sugar. And I'm pretty sure each shake say you're having around 600 calories. That is almost equal to one meal. So मेरे तरफ से I would just give a 3 out of 10. If you love mangoes, just please have the raw fruit fridge पे रख लेना साफ करके, just enjoy it. अब आते हैं vegetable juices में. Not so common, but इनके benefits काफी unique हैं. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे beetroot juice. Now this is rich in nitrates and they can actually increase your blood circulation, make you more active and energetic. So if you're about to work out, have an intense session in the bedroom, in the gym, then this juice is the perfect choice. But let me give you a disclaimer. If you have pre-existing kidney stones, you should avoid this drink क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारे oxalates होता है, and this can actually precipitate an oxalate stone. And one more thing, whenever you consume beetroot juice, there's a very high chance that your urine might turn pink or red, so don't worry about that. That's completely normal. So मेरे तरफ से I would give this an 8 out of 10. I still remember when I was preparing for Rubaru Mr. India, I used to work out and I used to have beetroot extracts before my workout. It used to give me spot on energy and I felt so powerful at the gym. And one more pro tip to all the boys out there, if you want to get some vascular veins in your hands and impress all the girls, then beetroot juice is your go-to. So मेरे तरफ से this is just going to be an 8 out of 10, a good winner for me. फिर आता है the one and only करेला का juice, and this juice is packed with antioxidants, it's low in calorie, and it is such a health power packed drink. And guess what? It can even control your blood sugar levels. अब इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि if you drink करेला and neem together, just like Uncle Ji said, it's not going to control your blood sugar levels. For every pre-diabetic and diabetic patient out there, you need to focus on a diabetic diet. यही basis है. And I've done a detailed webinar on diabetic diet, and so much of my patients have actually transformed their lives. Their fasting has come down from 180 to 110. HbA1c of 9.5 to 6.3. The link is in my bio. Don't forget to check it out. So मेरे तरफ से this is a 9 out of 10. So powerful, so nutritious, and I would recommend 100%. So let's just revise the final scoreboard. Karela 9 out of 10, beetroot 8 out of 10, anar 8 out of 10, Mosambi 7, pineapple 7.5, banana just a 5, ganne ka juice absolute 4, mango is just gonna be a 3. So my personal favorite pick would be the red ones, beetroot, anar ka juice, and if you're okay with controlling the taste, karela ka juice should be on your list. Now let me come to my real time advice as a doctor. Dekho, juices are fine, but at the end of the day, you are just having mostly sugar, no fiber, and less of antioxidants. Try to have fresh fruits. Blinkit, Zepto, har jagah se you are getting fresh cut fruits. So it is becoming easily accessible. Now coming to the last myth, क्या pineapple juice से flavor change होता है क्या? नहीं. देखो भाई, एक काम कर लो, all the boys खुद juice पी लेना और खुद ही taste कर लो. And to all the girls, I just don't want to say it, खुद समझ लेना. But anyway, coming to the scientific point, there have been few studies which say that it can alter the taste of body fluids, but इसके पीछे कोई scientific evidence नहीं है. So भाई साहब, you can stop having pineapple juices or cranberry juices just before your dates. बाकी अगले वीडियो में मिलता है. We will be talking more about health, and I've been working with a lot of scientists in our country from IIT Delhi, IIT Mumbai, AIIMS, MAMC, and we are about to create a health revolution in India. I'm super excited to announce it, so stay tuned.